We're ready to go, and we are there. Welcome,
Okay,
welcome.
whoa, let's get down so we can see us. There we are.
Got a little shadow in the back there too.
Yeah, I got it.
So we're working on new picture frames, and new picture frames means sometimes you get a little bit of extra glare. So we'll just move the glare back there, and here we go.
There we go.
Hi, I'm Cynthia,
I'm Mark.
and we are so excited to
Yes,
let
we
you in
are.
on this next part. This is going to change your life. We know it because it's changed ours.
And we've seen it change so many other people's lives. It's been so fun for me to do this book. Been working on this book with contributions from all these wonderful people, and just to read their experiences and their stories and the things that have happened with their families and friends. It's been so amazing.
It's true. It's really incredible. So on that happy note, we're going to move right into what we're offering and what exciting developments you can expect over the next little while.
Let's see what the mystery screen share brings up for us today. And
still waiting. We're almost there.
Almost there.
Okay, I think we're there.
There.
All right. So, you know, we've talked a lot about AromaTouch, and we talked about what it means to utilize it in your life. And we're going to be talking about it for the next 10 weeks. And every week you'll be able to hear another piece, another part of what this whole AromaTouch experience can give to you as a compact, truly life-changing opportunity for you. And why we say that is because it's just not the real good, or it's just not the feel good. I said it backwards. It is real good, but it's both. But it's not only that you'll feel good right immediately, but that you will experience longer term changes that happen in your body as a result of having this AromaTouch layered activity or therapy. So next page, please.
Okay, there we go.
He's my page turner. Okay, now it's true. We want to see you smile again. And we hope, you know, kind of like, I don't know if you've ever been to those dentist office where they put this is what they look like before, and this is what they look like after. Well, we're hoping that we'll see a lot of this.
We were talking about this the other day. It was like, this is a lot of work, you know, to put this together and to put the programs together and to get people excited about it and involved. Sure. And why are we doing all this? It's because at the end of the day, we just love seeing people smile again. We do. Yeah. And Cynthia, when she has people come in and shares the AromaTouch with them and they go out with their lives changed, it's just, that's what makes it all worth it. And it makes it worth it for us. And we hope that you feel that and experience that with your friends and family as well. Yeah, exactly.
Who doesn't want to feel a little bit better, right? Even just this much better can feel like this much better, right? Yeah. So we're going to do the real good, feel good discussion today. And this is the first really good, feel good that you're going to get out of this whole experience. And that is, you will receive an ebook, monetary value, $15, and you will receive that for your enrollment. You'll also receive a 10 Webinette series. Again, that would be a value of $40 for that one. And then you'll have some exciting free offers, and they look like this. We'll talk about them later.
Talk about them in a minute.
And then you'll also have the opportunity to choose to learn the AromaTouch technique. And we're going to help incentivize that. And we hope that it spurs you into, yeah, I really want to try that out. And we also, the next one that it doesn't say there, but that we want you to realize that we're not going to leave you alone going through this. You can ask us the questions. There's a lot of times when you take online classes, it's like, okay, I did that. Now, where's my support group? We are your support group. We are going to be there. We're going to explain what you've done, why you're doing it, and they'll tell you in the classes, but we will be there to support your additional questions so that you can get the security you need in doing this and feel like, okay, I can do this for other people and for myself too.
This is like the 10-week kickoff, the Kickstarter to get you going for the next 10
Absolutely.
years.
Oh
And
yeah,
we'll
definitely.
be here, and our team is here.
It's
You have a
interesting.
lot of experts around here that can really help all of us.
Yeah,
move
that's
forward
when
with
you said
this.
that, that's really interesting, because I have been sharing this since I became certified, which is a long time ago now. It's got to be 7 years
I
ago
think, yeah, 7 years
that I
ago.
was certified. And since that time, I have given, I don't even know actually how many. I don't even know how many I've actually given, because it's like they happen frequently. And so there you go.
So you're going to feel good.
You
Get
are.
involved, join us in this journey, and we're all going to feel better.
Absolutely.
It's going to be great.
Absolutely.
So we're going to go through the book on the Webinette series, and then we'll talk a little bit about the exciting offers that are coming up.
So I'd like you to take a look. This will give you a sneak preview into how this book is going to look. So, oops, I was going to say a little bit more about that.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
All right. Now, we want you to understand that you can get a lot of information, and some of the information that you'll receive in this book may be familiar to you if you're involved with using essential oils. But what we are doing is we're telling you that these are the things that we have found that have been great value to us while we have learned how to use these. So the information that we've gleaned is kind of like, oh, I really want them to know this particular reason why I use this essential oil. So not only will you get the backgrounder for it, but you'll get the backgrounder according to how we've utilized them for ourselves. So we're going to have those 10 topics again that we were talking to you about, and we are your experts. Yes, it's true. Okay, let's move the next one.
You get the whole package. It's pretty cool.
So here's this to look inside, and just know that this is what we'll have for the content pages. And then the next page is that we are giving you this ebook. We want you to have the information. We want you to know where you can get the information you need. And then this is what we're going to do. So it's going to last a little while. You can get these Webinettes. They'll be available online, but we're also going to have them as a package for you that you can look for on the EODrops website. So you can pull that all down together, but only if you've enrolled or if you are already currently enrolled with us. And you can get them piecemeal off of Facebook or off of our YouTube site. We haven't got them onto the YouTube site at this point, but we will. But you can just fish through and find them on our Facebook site right now. So look at all the subjects we're going to go through. So first, we're going to start out right through. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through all the oils. And then we're going to finish up by talking about a few more things at the end. And these are the great people. So look at who you've got to work with. You've got professional level runners, nurses, and esthetician, and
holistic health coach.
A holistic health coach, 2 of them actually, 2 coaches.
Yeah.
So we're certified coaches, and we are certified on 2 different levels. We're certified as holistic, but also life coaches.
Life coaches.
So we want you to know that, so that we have double certification, the 2 of us here.
So check out the schedule and find your favorite person, or all of them.
All of them.
And don't miss that week.
Yes.
It's going to be great. You won't have to listen to us the whole time. You'll be able to hear from these other great experts.
Right.
And we'll be going through each of these 4 areas that we talked about last week. The 4 key areas that Dr. Hill outlined as those that people mostly struggle with, that impact our health either way, if we take care of it, it really gives us a boost. And if we don't, it's a challenge.
Yeah.
And so, and then the 2 oils that specifically address those areas.
And we want you to know that all of the other people who have written sections for this and will be teaching you are also all certified holistic health coaches. So you've got a whole group of people who have spent the time to learn how to utilize these kinds of holistic health things, oils and other practices, so you can have the best health outcomes for yourself, so that your body can experience what it can do naturally and come out on top. And that's what we hope. We hope everybody
Absolutely.
comes out with, this thing. Okay.
So it's a great value. I mean, this can really, really change your life and other people's lives.
Absolutely.
But we're going to make it even more interesting.
Oh, yep. There's more.
There's more. Wait.
Okay, so we've already told you about the limited time offer for the ebook, that you will be able to receive that. But now we're going to have a couple of other things. So when you choose a couple of things, you can choose to, are we going to the next page?
No, we'll just go through each of them.
Okay. The first 5 people who sign up,
not currently enrolled.
the first 5 people who sign up, you're going to get some really neat things. You'll need to sign up with 150 PV. And the reason why you can do that is because you're going to get matched. And that's what's so cool about this. So you sign up with any of the oils that you think you might like, something that you, emotional oils or facial oils or lifelong vitality. We've been talking now for a year about all these wonderful things. You sign up with those. And the first 5 people who enroll with 150 PV, anybody who does this, doTERRA will give them $35 off, which is your membership. So you're going to get your membership free, okay, until this June 30th. Okay, so that's to remember why this is so important. So you enroll, the first 5 people who enroll will receive an AromaTouch package. So you don't need to purchase that. There are 2 different AromaTouch packages. One has 5 milliliter bottles and one has 15 milliliter bottles. And the 15 milliliter bottles has a completely different package that we're talking about, but you will receive from me. I will send this to you. If you're in the United States, I will send this to you. Okay. And if you're outside of the US, we need to talk, and you need to get on to message me on Facebook, and or you can email me and we will get some information out to you. So that's number 1. And then you'll get the free ebook. Yes, and you'll get us, the coaches, right? Mm-hmm. So I charge $50 a half an hour session, and so you will receive that for free. So anytime you want to receive information, you'll receive that for free. I also have AromaTouches that I have utilized where people have paid me for their AromaTouch therapies. And when that also is an opportunity that you'll be able to learn these things, and you'll get that one that you can share with other people, which will be fantastic. Now, you may have to purchase that separately unless you get the big kit, the big AromaTouch kit. And we'll talk about that on one of the future recordings, but not right now. But this is for right now. So first people who enroll with us will receive with the 150 PV, the 150 PV. It
says dollars, it should say PV.
Yeah. 150 PV, it's different. So watch out for that one. 150 PV, you will get a free membership. So have us walk you through that so that you understand how to do that. And any of these people that we've just shown you, anybody that you're just like, yeah, I want to work with this guy, I really relate to him, that was the one that you will help you walk through with you how to enroll. And you can do it through Facebook are a number of ways, and we'll make sure that you know how to get in touch with them as well. Anyway, so let's just keep moving.
Okay.
I don't want to get bogged down too much. Okay, next one. And then if you are already enrolled, okay, the first people who are already enrolled, whoops, this is the second, this is the same one.
No, it's not.
I just said that. First people who sign up get a free AromaTouch kit.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the same one. Okay.
that's incorrect.
Yeah.
This is incorrect. Sorry.
Oops. And we got to the end. Okay, so sorry, here
So-
we go. Well, this is somehow we missed our page. So just know the next page should say the first 5 people who are already enrolled. Just remember this one because it's not here on the page.
We'll correct it on the site.
The first 5 people who are already enrolled that want to participate with learning how to do the AromaTouch technique, you can purchase that technique online, and it's $95, and you can purchase that. And when you do that, you will receive a free AromaTouch kit, be it by being enrolled already on our team, and then by doing the AromaTouch certification process. We will send you with the 5 ml size of the AromaTouch kit. Now, if you want the bigger one and you're already enrolled, go for that, and we will arrange another offer for you. But that's the one that we want to focus on, because we want you to have the same experience that we've had.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that you'll learn how to do this technique, and then you can get certified, and then you can help other people to experience this, because it's amazing. And it's such a deal. It's such an incredible
Really is.
deal.
Mm.
You will not be disappointed. I can promise you that. And we would love to work with you and show you how to do it, and show you how to keep going with even doing the hand technique. It's a great way to get going. And we'd like to show you how to move your business forward if you're interested in that. And if you're not, how to share it with your people. But either way, whether it's wanting to move your business forward, or whether you love people and want to share this with them and just connect with people again and give them a little bit of hope and a little bit of feel good, then you can do that too. And it'll be awesome. It'll just be absolutely awesome for you.
Okay.
So that's what we want you to have, the 1 or the 2 offers, right? You are either already, you're new, or you're going to enroll. And those are the 2
These are
offers
awesome
that we have.
offers. These
They
are really awesome offers. So
if you have any questions, give us a message on Facebook, or go to my eodrops.com. There you go. So there you go. eodrops.com or eodrops tribe.
Go to Facebook or go to the website. There's a form at the bottom of the home page where you can message Cynthia.
Yeah. And there's another one, is Cynthia@eodrops.com. And that's the email. So that one should be on here too.
Email, yeah. Okay.
So all 3 of those will, and if you want to work with someone else, I'll make sure that you get to that person, even though I'm giving you only my information right now and Mark's information. So either way, you can get a hold of all 5 of us by just doing this. And we'd love to help you feel better. We'd love to help you have increased help and hope and a big smile on your face. So enroll or purchase a certification, and then you'll get all of the offers that we've suggested today.
And away we go to better health, to feeling good, and to having that real lasting, real good, feel good in our lives.
Yeah.
It's really remarkable.
We want you to have both the real good and the feel good.
Yep. Well, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you for 10 weeks at least as we go on this wonderful journey together. Don't miss out on the wonderful offers that are available, and
see you next week.
Absolutely.
All right.
Bye.